So in this lecture, we will see how to work with this Excel VLOOKUP. And this is a very good option. In fact, you can say it's a very good tool. So let's see how to work with this, right? So first, the functions of this book VLOOKUP syntax is VLOOKUP, lookup value, table array, column index number, range lookup. Okay, I think looking at this syntax, you find it confusing, but when you go through it practically, it will be more clear to you. But still take a screenshot of this, right? Now, if we look at this syntax in our normal English, then we can say like that VLOOKUP find this value, means which value we need to find, and then in that table, and then return the value in the nth column of the table. Then suppose if you want exact match, there will be two options there. One is exact and another is approximate, right? Suppose I want exact match. Suppose I'm looking the value say 102, and that to be found exactly, then we will put false, right? So that is the VLOOKUP syntax. So as I have said, it will be very clear to you if you go through practically. So let's see how to do that, right? Just a minute. See, I have created one Excel worksheet, say book one, and I have created two tables here, order table and lookup table. So I want to see the status for this order ID, say 101. And you see that this status is available as a second column in the lookup table. So I want to have there's this status value from this lookup table. Say I want this value here, right? So let's use this lookup option then. V lookup, then lookup value, which value I want to search, say this 101, right? Where I want to search this table, right? From here, range I need to specify, suppose the whole table I am specifying, right? Exactly in this table, which column this value is there that we are searching, the status in the second column, so I am putting 2 here. Now, you see, true means approximate match, false means exact match. What I want, say exact match, right? Exact match. Now close this and press enter. See, delivered is coming here, because for the order ID 102, you find order ID 101, say order ID 101, the status is was delivered. That is exactly printed here. Similarly, let's try another one. Say I want this Sony. Sony is 103, and 103 is also delivered. Let's try this one again. VLOOKUP, lookup, which value I am searching, 103, where I am searching, here, exactly the whole table, right? And which column I am referring, the status is there in this table, and then say exact true match I want. Now let's enter. See, for 103, status is delivered and that is printed here. Is it nice? Really? Okay, so VLOOKUP option for 103 we have printed here. Let's try another one. Say in transit for 105. Where is 104? Say this one, 104. So let's try for this one also. I'm showing you 2-3 times because that way this will be easy for you to work on this VLOOKUP option. Which value I am searching? Come on, fast. This, and where I am searching, from this to the whole table, right? And which column exactly I am referring? Status, that is that column number 2 to exact match or appropriate. Let's try with appropriate one. Okay, then close it, press enter. In transit, see, in transit, sorry, approximate means always giving you the result, but sometimes if it is not match in, and if you are putting true, sorry, false means exact match, then you will not get result. Otherwise, in approximate option, you will always get result. Clear? I hope this is uh, clear to you, that how to look or how to work with this VLOOKUP function in Excel. But still, if you have any doubt, then you can comment me. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.